Hi SKS TECH viewers. In this tutorial you will learn about Corel vector-based graphic software. Using this software you can learn how to create logos, brochures, banners, flyers and different kind of graphic designing. Let me first give a intro about two types of graphic. 1. Rasterized graphic. 2. Vector graphic. What is rasterized graphic? Rasterized graphics are bitmaps. A bitmap is a grid of individual pixels that collectively composed an images. Rasterized graphics are best used for non-line art images. The best example for rasterized graphic is photographic images. When you zoom in the photographic images, you can see the individual pixels that comprise the image. What is vector graphic? Vector graphic is a representation of mathematical objects such as lines, curves, polygons and nodes. Vector graphics images can be altered easily and their resolution per square pixel remains intact at any level. Vector graphics is used for printable things such as logos, flyers, banners, brochures, etc. This is the difference between rasterized graphics and vector graphics. Now let me take a look of the software CorelDRAW. What will we learn in this CorelDRAW X6 tutorial course? CorelDRAW X6 tools, CorelDRAW X6 menus, creating projects in CorelDRAW X6. Click the CorelDRAW icon on the desktop or from the Windows menu. After opening it up, you can see the Quick Starter Guide window. What is Quick Starter Guide? Quick Starter Guide has two clickables. 1. New blank document. 2. New from template. What is new blank document? If we are going to create or going to work on new project, then we have to click new blank document. What is new from template? Template is a ready-made things already Corel has for creating brochures, business cards, catalogs, certificates, flyers, letterhead, newsletters and etc. And also you can open the template which we have worked before. By clicking browse icon. Then at last, recent documents. Recent document will show the last 10 files which we have created before. Right now I have not created any recent documents, so it is empty here. If you have worked the files before, then it will be shown here Now let's move detailing into the software. First, let us create a new blank document by clicking on it. Once you have clicked on it, it opens up a new document window for setting up the name, preset destination, size, width, height, primary color mode, rendering resolutions, color settings, etc. Type the name of the project in the name tab. Then preset destination. Preset destination, it is basically about the color destination. Let me talk about this later. Then we will move on to size. In size, you can able to choose different types of sizes for creating the document, or also you may custom your size by entering the width and height. Next to this you have units. You can choose the units into inches, millimeters, feet, yards, miles, centimeters. Whichever is convenient for you, you can use it. Next, primary color mode. In this you have two. One RGB, two CMYK. What is RGB? RGB stands for red, green and blue. It is also known as web colors. What is CMYK? CMYK stands for cyan, magenta, yellow, black. It is also known as print color medium. Most of the printing company uses CMYK modes. Then, what is rendering resolution? Before going on to it, let us see what is DPI. DPI stands for dot per inch, and also it is used to show about the clarity of the image. Then color settings. It has RGB profile, CMYK profile, grayscale profile, rendering intent. These settings are related to the designed project which you are going to export. If you are going to export a design which you have personally developed using specified colors, for example, if a logo is created using specified colors and it wants to get printed on the banner or brochure, then you export with the specified color and you can go for print. First, we will enter into the software for creating the project by clicking OK button. After entering into it software, remember that you have your hints window on your right. It gives you the basic specification idea for using the tools. In case if it is not opened, you can open it by clicking the Windows tab, Dockers, Ints. That's it for the part 1 tutorial video. In part 2 video, let me cover you about the menu tab. Thanks for watching this video and don't forget to subscribe.